Here's a look at the E-mini S&P for Friday, April the 9th, 2010. At E-mini Day Trader, we like to use the market profiles to give us a good indication as to the condition of the market on an intraday basis. And this was today's market profile and volume profile. So every day has one. This is the overnight session I'm pointing to here. And of course here was the yesterday's strong move up and its corresponding volume profile. So we were looking at more or less a consolidating type day today, which it did for the bulk of the day until very late in the day it had a spike higher. So just continuing with the upward trend of the auction, coming down to, we didn't really have a key area of support. We were looking that quite possibly the market could even get down to as low as the 79 level, or maybe the 81 level. Of course, it never got anywhere near that. Well, it came within a couple of points of it, I guess, here. But and the same thing in the overnight. I'm sorry, the overnight and the regular trading hours. But consolidated here for most of the day, and then that move up. So we've been mentioning the 1200 area as a target for quite some weeks. So looks like it's headed there. It's only got 7 more points to go. So this bull auction continues. We also like to take a look at the market profiles that do not include the overnight session, and here's the profiles here from today, and you can see that that spike up to finish off the day had a nice close to the week with a very strong up move. So we had some good consolidation today above yesterday's value, and that was very enticing, because when you take a look at where the market had most of its volume yesterday, you can see that the market traded above that today, and we were really expecting more of a sideways kind of consolidation today. So the fact that it was able to create that higher value really did lead into a likelihood that it could burst higher at some point, whether it was late today or early next week or something like that. But we would be looking around 88 as support going into next week. As far as our systemized trades were concerned, we actually only had 3 of them today. We had a long here and a short here, and then a long here. The first 2 trades, well, the first trade lost us a couple of ticks because it didn't move up in time, and so we were 2 ticks. We lost 2 ticks on the first trade. On the second trade here, it did move a point and 3/4 in our favor. So that one worked really nicely, and of course the long in from here worked out great. It quickly rallied up here some 3 points, backed off a little bit, and then finished the day really strong. So a nice profit on that final trade as well. So we were able to catch at least some of it, certainly not all of it, but you can see how the market was mostly consolidating for the bulk of the day. It dipped here, went up, another dip here off of that surprise news from the Supreme Court, went up and made another new high, and just spent a lot of time consolidating there, and then the late spike higher. So 88 looks to be a good area for find support, with 1200 as our target here in the near term. Any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at E-mini Day Trader. If you'd like to take a look at our information on our website, just take a look around. Any further information within the members site, any questions about that, they're always welcome. We'd be happy to give you a personalized tour, or just give us a call. Our number, of course, is on the web page. So thanks for taking a look, and have a great weekend. We'll see you again on Monday.